back with another video. So today we're going to be doing this mystery slime challenge. So we have spin the wheel, and we have like some slime ingredients, and then we have like all like what we get. We have glue, clear glue, and we got white glue, and we have shaving cream. We have eyeballs and glitter and blue and pink food coloring, and we have our activator in there, lotion, and yeah, you say that one. We have clay, if you get it. I really hope I get these glitters and everything else. I'm gonna get all of these glitters. Yeah. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who's going first. But before we do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, comment down below, have you ever played this game or you love making slime? Now, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, so DJ, I thought DJ won.
No, I got two, he had one.
Okay. Alright, so basically guys, they're gonna be spinning, and whatever they land on, they're gonna pour that in the bowl. And once they get all the ingredients to make the slime, that's when you guys just gonna start making it.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go. Let's see what Yaya gets. Yeah, that's a real long spin. You should have gone Real of Fortune. Okay.
Gold glitter.
Gold glitter, let's go.
Oh gosh. I don't really like gold. I love gold.
Okay, she got gold. Alright, big boy, it's your turn.
1, 2, 3, go. Wrong spin.
Oh, DJ did a soft spin. Whoa, lotion.
Oh gosh.
So DJ's slime is gonna be stretchy, we know that. Get that lotion in there, boy. Okay. He's adding a lot.
Okay.
Alright, that should be good. Alright, Yaya, you're up. Okay. Blue glitter.
No, not blue glitter.
Wait. Uh-oh. Activator.
Oh my god.
Good call, DJ. He's seen that. That was a good eye. Just a little bit of activator?
Yeah. These are your turn. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Blue food coloring. Oh, that was close to glue.
Alright, let's put some more blue food coloring in.
Okay, DJ, I need if I get that now. Stir. Okay, my turn.
Alright, let's
I
spin.
really want to get blue. Lotion! Yay! I got a lotion. Okay, that's all.
Alright, DJ, your spin.
lotion.
Did he already, wait. He already had lotion though, right?
No, but
You still add it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, add some more lotion. You added a lot already. Alright. So your turn, Yaya.
It sounds like something's breaking.
Uh-oh. Can you get some glue? No. Silver glitter. Yaya keep adding glitter, y'all.
Wow.
Oh no, you didn't do the blue one the first time, go.
No.
It has spent somewhere else.
My turn. 1, 2. 1, 2, there you go. Glue, glue.
Oh, clay. Wait. Yeah, clay.
Yeah.
Alright, so you gotta add some clay.
What do you want? I want glue. Do I have to use the whole clay?
No, just use a little bit.
Oh. It's not good. But it's not stretchy and blue. Okay.
Alright, that's good. Alright, don't mix it yet, DJ.
Okay. My turn. Please. I said anything. Yeah. There's things like this one without glue. I think it'd be cool. Oh, so much.
Hey, what we got? What we got? Let's see. Ooh. She got glue, guys. Which glue is that? Just the white glue? Do we have clear glue on there?
Yeah. Clear glue, I think, all the way on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I got glue.
Alright, big boy, your spin.
Alright, 1. Dad, don't start yet.
Yeah, she can start the glue.
Oh, 1. I still have more. 4. What are you going to get?
Gold glitter.
Don't add all of it.
You already added all of it?
Okay, but if we get gold glitter, that would just be cancer. And you'll use that.
Alright, your spin. Shaving cream powder?
Yeah.
Oh, what else? You already got activator and glue.
Well, I need more activator, so. No! Glue.
Glue again.
What? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna
That was a
definitely
cute-
need more activator.
Alright.
Okay, go DJ. Me? I really want shaving cream next on activator.
Lotion.
Wow.
Hold on, wait. We got more lotion. So y'all keep getting the same thing.
Why do I have to keep getting
Alright, let's do a few more rounds, you guys.
what? I would never do this one. Logan. Please not glue. Yes. Blue food coloring. Yay. Why? At least I got something different.
All right, DJ, that's your turn. Okay. Because Leah don't even want to see what he's getting. Oh. Ooh. Blue food coloring.
Oh,
You almost had glue. Is that the only? Oh, you got pink food coloring too.
Yeah, I got pink food.
No, I mean on the wheel.
Oh. I think I just add all the blue food coloring.
DJ, you're adding everything.
Boom, boom, boom. I want to close my eyes. Boom.
Okay, after spinning, oh, pink food color. Wow! Pink food color. Now my time's gonna be purple. Wow.
Uh-oh. Hey, let's go, big boy.
I thought I was gonna get blue.
All right, DJ, we need some shaving cream or some glue. You want clear glue or white glue?
I want white glue.
I want clear glue. I want it clear glue. It's so bad.
No.
Y'all keep getting the same. All right.
Oh, shit!
No, just hold on. Just spin over.
Yeah,
Spin.
DJ's gonna spin over because you keep on getting lotion. Try to shaving cream or glue.
I'm trying.
Oh, you're so close. Red glitter.
Wow, that kind of.
So close to clear glue.
Here.
Thanks.
What? DJ! He just dumped it the whole thing.
What keep doing that?
Okay, so red it's cancel off too. I want clear blue.
Oh, glue my shaving cream. I do not know how to make a sound fly. Ah!
Is it my turn or your turn?
Yeah.
Clay.
So that's gonna be some butter slime.
Yes.
Maybe wrong.
Yeah, man. I promise.
But what about it never comes to tonight?
So Yaya, you need shaving cream. DJ still needs glue and activator.
I need activator too. I need more because I have more glue.
All right, go ahead, spin DJ.
I was trying to first I just got the shaving cream and then activator. Not activator.
Oh, DJ
got
blue.
Wow. Okay, DJ, that's enough.
Alright.
DJ's probably really happy.
I mean,
Wow.
So he needs the activator soon. All right, go ahead, Yaya.
and the activator and shaving cream.
You can't really see the glitter.
Ooh, eyeballs. Yay, someone got some eyeballs. Yes, eyeballs.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Yaya added a lot of eyeballs. I see you.
I just need shaving cream and activator. Now I need shaving cream. Please get shaving cream.
One time.
That is my turn.
No, but I'm like talking about me.
Clear
Clear
blue!
glue.
Oh my god! You got clear blue. Okay.
You need to open it. Okay.
I might just use the whole thing.
Yeah, just use it.
No, don't use the whole thing.
Oh,
Okay.
don't use the whole thing. Okay.
Alright. Stir. Whoa. Activated.
Ooh, is it active? Yeah, activator. Alright guys, so time to mix y'all stuff up.
Whoa, mine's already heavy.
Let's move this out the way.
So you guys, my slime didn't really turn purple. It came out like the lightish.
It's light purple.
What's that in there? Oh, is that the eyes?
Yeah, there's eyes and the glitter I made. You can't really see the glitter.
Alright, so let's get a little closer. Let's look at this. So this is DJ. Let's see.
Yeah, I made a bee. There's some glitter, but you can't see it.
Yeah, I don't really see the glitter.
I see this one, this one.
Oh, I see some glitter. Okay. So that's your slime. That's Yaya. Let's get a close look at yours. I see some of the eyes.
This is butter slime because
Yeah, you had that clay.
Yeah,
I got butter slime.
Where's your glitter?
mine's glitters like some right there and stuff.
Alright. So y'all play with y'all slime. Let's see who can make a bubble.
I can't really make the bubble because like my slime, the eyes will pop it. And when I shake it, you can like hear the eyes.
DJ, let's see yours. Play with yours. So you guys comment down below which slime do y'all think is better and what color do y'all like better.
I think I like DJ's color better.
You like his color better?
Yeah, but I like my slime better.
Hold on.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow our Musically Panton kids in my Instagram, Yaya Panton. But guys, look, my slime can reach the whole counter. Outside to the outside. But bye, you guys. Peace. Dab, 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 dab.